Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and I'm at the 13th Carob Festival at Agios Georgios in Peyia. It's just starting. I'm just walking down because everyone had to park further up the road for obvious reasons. We're expecting thousands of people here, and they've already flown the drone around, so I know they've got plenty of seating for all that. There's the church itself. Somewhere in there is my wife. And you got Pink Panthers already. The first stall. There you have it. And there's their game that's a bit like Pachinko. I'll go in a clockwise direction, I think. There are lots of traditional Cypriot food stalls. And there's a central area with loads of shared seating in front of some a stage. I'm going to have a stage view here. So I'm passing through. There's some Carob, which is what it's all about. Let's pick one up so you can see it. And the crowds are waiting for the bands to start, I think. Oh, some have Walkabouts. There's a big queue here. I'm guessing that's for the Walkabouts. Oh, I see, they're paying here and they get a buffet here of pork kebab. So it's basically the barbecue, showing Cypriots do very well. Now, the floor that we're walking on has all recently been renovated. And it covers the entire courtyard up here by the church and everything. And there's some drinks up here. Beaded bracelets. We'll come back this way. So I was wondering if those people I saw there were the same people who were inquiring with me when I was flying the drone. But I was paying more attention to the drone now, I'm afraid. Pardon? Oh.
Right down at that
What?
on these black chairs, right at the
Okay. Now, if you're wondering why it hasn't started yet, this will be your first time you've been to a Cypriot festival. Right, let's carry on. So yes, we saw Dara O'Brien in Nicosia, and very good it was too. And he came out, he said, look, the ticket said 7:30. I know it's custom, etc., for you Cypriots to start late, but come on. And I think it started about, I think in fairness, it started 7:45, so it wasn't that bad, but the reason it started so late is because so many of the locals turned up late. I'll have a quick look around here. I have to say it looks lovely up here now. There's the church and more courtyards there, which has all been spruced up, and the restaurant itself not open yet. It's through there in pitch black. Now can I walk back through this way? Looks lovely up here. Yes, I can. Here we go. Okay, but this is what it's like at the start of the Carob Festival. So this is end of part one. I'll have a commercial break in the middle. Found a table of Carob over there, but more importantly, they've started with some traditional dancing. I'm going to walk around to get that from the other side of things so I can get a bit closer. It's filling up still. So I can make my way through the throng.
Θερμό χειροκρότημα για το χορευτικό συγκρότημα της Πέιας και πάμε για τον επόμενο μας χορό.
You're still trying to work out the sound of it. A bit of a pan round. Looks like they're carrying jars on their shoulders. We're talking about the ladies on the stage now, should I? I suppose while I'm waiting I could go and film around the church because that'd be very nicely illuminated. So that's what I'll do, I think. I'll walk through the toilet area. We'll go and say hello to the church. I do like these illuminated olive trees. And out there, you'll have Ioannissos Island, not that there's anything to see, just supposed to be sort of lights on it. How weird that would be. There's a newly renovated cafe. It's very swanky now.
Hello.
Hello. Look how lovely this is here though. Now, singing started. Come on, let's go and listen. Oh, it's not this one. I can get through here though. Some more murals here. Seems we've got their sound sorted out basically. I wonder if that was intentional. I'm guessing that's part of the show. How many do you think he'll do? tried to partying still to go, but I'm going to call tonight. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next film.